How to add a custom camera widget to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on wallpaper and style. So after click on wallpaper and style, click on lock screen. So after click on locking screen, so if you want to add custom camera widget on the lock screen, so click on widgets. So after click on widgets, so if you want to add camera widgets, so click on camera. So you will select camera, custom camera. So after selecting camera, click on camera and click on. So you will select setting from here, set setting. So after setting, click on save and click on done. You will see your camera icon is added on your lock screen. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can add a custom camera widget to the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.